Hi everyone, today we're going to make pho. This is a packaged Vietnamese noodle soup. This brand is called Phenomenal. Let's see what these ingredients are. So we have the vegetables, the soup base, and then a sauce. Okay, and if you are gluten-free, you are in luck because these are rice noodles and rice does not have any gluten. I have to fill in to the line with water, emptying my ingredients. Just going to mix that around. We're going to cover that for a few minutes. Okay, and today I'm garnishing it with some shrimp. So I'm going to add a few shrimp in there. And I blanched some bok choy. So this is baby bok choy. And there you have it. This is pho, instant pho. Enjoy.